So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making
pizza. And I don't like pepperonis.
No, not yes, doesn't like pepperonis, but we do have some turkey pepperonis that we're gonna throw in there. I also got some turkey bacon. I'm gonna put some turkey bacon on mine.
And we got some of this.
So this is the cheese. Hold it up for him. No, turn it around. Alright, so this is the cheese, mozzarella here. Here's our dough. We're gonna use the little biscuits for our dough. Here, hold the turkey pepperonis up. Turn it around. Turkey pepperonis. Hold this up. This is the pizza sauce.
This is the pizza sauce that we're going to do, and we're going to use this to spread it.
That's right. And then also the turkey bacon that Mommy's gonna use as well.
Turkey bacon.
All right. So our hands are clean, guys. Noah, are you ready?
No.
All right. So Noah isn't ready, but me and Zion are ready. This is our pan.
No. I
Right
see
here.
you make a pizza, baby.
Okay. So scoot back some, Noah.
How about you give me the ingredients and tell me what to do, okay?
Of course, that's what I'm going to do. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get some foil.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put this on the pan.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna open up the biscuits, and then we can start.
Oh no, that's
putting-
the magnifying glass.
Yes, but remember.
No guy check was going cooking. No one gotta see if it's good or not.
Okay, no, you're gonna tell us if it's good or not. All right, so this is nothing fancy. I just put this on there because I don't want nothing to stick. So
okay.
You ready? Here, sit.
It looks fancy, but it still looks fancy.
Right, it does look fancy. Okay, so we're gonna get 3 of these biscuits out of here.
Okay.
And we're gonna save the other ones for later.
Okay.
So, ooh, I don't want my nail to pop off. All right, so. We don't want to spill it all the way. Oh, girl, you really did that. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna take. Hold on, wait. Hey. It hurt your finger? You okay? Alright, so 1,
I don't want to touch it. I just want to touch
3.
the pepperoni.
You don't want to touch the bread?
I just want to touch the pepperoni.
What type of pizza maker are you? Okay, so we have the dough. So what we're gonna do is, here, let me bring the camera close. Noah, don't.
No.
Nope, that one's his.
All
Alright, so this is what you want to do. You want to smush it. Get yours. There go yours right there. You smush yours. Smush yours into like a flat circle. You see how Mommy just a circle like that? Alright, so smush it really flat. I'm going to do Noah's.
It looks like, I feel like I like to touch it now. I like to touch it now.
Okay, smush it some more.
Me.
You need to smush it, smush it, smush it. And Mommy likes her pizza to have extra sauce, so it's going to be saucy. Noah, get your hand on my pizza. What's wrong with you? This one's yours, Noah. This one's yours. All right, let me.
I'm done with mine.
Okay, let me smush it out for you a little bit more. Smush yours, Noah. Smush it, Noah.
I'm going to smush yours.
No, don't smush mine. I'm just helping you smush yours.
Yeah.
I know, we all washed our hands, but y'all know how it goes. Okay. Great job. So they are flat. Yeah, they are flat and they look like this.
Yeah.
And we have the one that has butter in it, so it's kind of going to be extra good. No. Okay.
The pizza.
Now, Mommy's going to do hers, and then I'm going to let you, watch me how I do mine, and then I'm going to let you do yours, okay?
Okay, Noah's a little bit.
So, here, Noah's a little bit what?
No.
Young?
To do it.
Oh, okay, he's too young to do it.
Sorry guys, I'm just trying to be short.
Alright, so this is how Mommy's doing hers.
Pizza.
I'm gonna put a little bit more sauce because Mommy likes a lot of sauce on hers. I don't like for mine to be dry.
I don't want sauce on mine too.
You want a lot of sauce on yours? Okay. You want me to put it on yours?
Okay.
Go ahead. Here, turn around so people can see. See you doing it.
I need some more sauce.
Here.
Big bones.
Get your sauce.
Get the big bones.
There we go, so people can see. Good job, Z. Mommy's gonna try not to. You are doing amazing. Yes, rub it in. Yep, rub it all in. Noah is being Inspector Gadget. Noah, can you take that off of there, please? Thank you. Take that off.
I take that.
All right. All right, that's enough. All right, so let's do.
Can you try?
Yes, let's go ahead and do.
I'm gonna help Noah.
No, I'm gonna let him do it. Let him do it himself. All right. Good job. Spread it. Good job, Noah.
Okay.
Let's get some more. Let's get some more. Let's get a little bit more.
Do you see Noah doing it, guys?
Noah's doing a great job. I love his spread technique. He's spreading that sauce out pretty well. Yeah. I'm gonna make sure your arm doesn't hit this. Good job. Mommy's gonna put a little bit more on there. Z, can you please hand me the cheese?
I want. You know I like cheese on mine.
Yes, you do. You eat cheese on your pizza all the time. It's gonna melt, okay? So it's gonna be really good, okay?
Oh boy!
So don't worry.
But I want to do it first and then.
Yeah, you're gonna do your own. You're gonna do your own. Mommy's gonna do hers. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle my cheese.
You like cheese on yours?
Yeah. It's gonna be so good.
Cheese!
Alright, here. Here, Noah.
Cheese.
Put the cheese on yours. Ooh, good job.
I'm just doing a little bit because I want to be super careful with mine.
You want to be super careful? Okay, that's great. I love it. So,
no, don't touch mommy pizza.
Noah, please don't touch my pizza. Stop. Here, let's
I
get
want to
a
add
paper towel. When there is a mess, you just get your paper towel and you wipe it on up.
mess.
All right.
I love it now.
Okay, that's all right. That's enough for you. I'm gonna take some of yours and put a little bit on Noah's. And just a little bit more. And you don't want any pepperonis, right, Z? Okay, so now, stop it, Noah. You're trying to touch my pizza. So now, guys, what I like to do is get the pizza seasoning that I have, which is amazing. This is pizza seasoning. Okay, hold it up. Hold it into the camera. That's the pizza seasoning. So we're gonna sprinkle that on our pizza. Yeah, here. You can sprinkle it on yours. It's gonna make it taste so good. Daddy has arrived.
You making pizza?
Yes. All right, that's enough for you. Put too much. So this is gonna be really good.
Yay.
See, hand me the pepperoni.
Here, I got it. Stinky.
All right.
So how put it in the camera. Pepperoni. Turkey.
You can actually make the wide shot, like, make it come in. All right, so I'm going to put turkey pepperoni on mine, and I'm going to let the bacon cook with the pizza, too, because I'm going to put the bacon on mine. I got a meat lover's pizza.
You know I like my cheese pizza.
All right.
You like that cheese on your pizza?
Boom, boom, bam, bam, boom. You want one,
What'd you
Noah?
say?
Noah said he want one on his. Okay, we put one on Noah, so now all we have to do
Boy,
is
stop
put
yelling.
it. All we have to do, y'all. Can you hand me the camera? Can you like hold it up to where it can? You gotta use the back of it. Like twist it. Oh gosh. All right, twist it to me. All right, he didn't climb to my back, y'all. So all we have to do is put it in the oven and let it cook for like not that long, probably like 10 minutes.
Z, come here.
It's like until you want it to look how you want it to look. So this was easy peasy.
Z, where you at?
And
Pizza, baby.
Pizza, baby. Taste,
We're
baby.
about to eat some pizza, homemade pizza. So, and we made it ourselves.
Homemade. Oh, my nose is dry. Homemade pizza.
All right, let's open up. Get in. Let's put it in the oven.
All right, y'all.
All right.
Peace, baby.